Okay, we had some trouble with our electrical. We had trouble with this connector right here that was on the wall right there on that piece of conduit, but the connections were kind of burnt. All right, this was on the end of that cord right here, kind of burnt. See how ugly that is? There was a connection problem inside there somewhere. It would work sometimes and sometimes it wouldn't. So this is the way I fixed the problem. We no longer can unplug the dryer. To unplug the dryer, you're going to have to disconnect it. I got a circuit breaker right there. We'll have to just, you normally don't want to move it very far anyway. So if we want to move the dryer very far, we got to take the two screws out and the one wire nut there, and then you can. But we've got a disconnect and a circuit breaker right there, so it's not a big deal. Not a real issue. That should fix the electrical problem with the dryer.